Welcome to Windows Club. If you wish to remove duplicate drive letter entry from Windows File Explorer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolution. This is usually the kind of icon for a USB drive or an external drive. If it is a double entry, for example, there are two of these, then all you need to do is press the Windows key and the R button to open the run window. Type the command regedit and hit enter to open the registry editor window. Now go to HKey current user, software, wow, 6432 node, Microsoft Windows current version Explorer desktop, namespace delegate folders. The path has been mentioned in this article. All you need to do is copy paste it. You will find a sub key which starts with F5FB. I'll show you in the registry editor this key. Usually it would be the only key. All you need to do is right click on it and select delete. This would kill the drive letter. After this, when you reboot the computer, the duplicate drive letter would be removed. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.